So cow's-milk allergy is an immune reaction to a protein known as casein, which is present in formula. It's one of the most common food allergies that we have, and it increases the risk of other conditions, allergic conditions later in life, such as eczema, rhinitis, asthma, or allergic conjunctivitis. Patients at risk of food allergies include those who have a family history of allergies, food allergies, or eczema. It is important to understand the symptoms of food allergies, which typically occur shortly after the exposure to the food and present with hives, difficulty breathing, shortness of breath, or anaphylaxis, or more GI-related symptoms such as vomiting, bloody stools, diarrhea, or failure to fly. It is important to understand that children with allergic manifestation of food allergies are likely to develop other food allergies, including egg and peanut. A significant amount will develop asthma, and others will develop eczema as well as rhinitis and conjunctivitis. It is important to understand the symptoms, understanding that if we can treat the patient with the right formula early in life, we can minimize the progression of disease, minimize the symptoms, and minimize the other allergic conditions. Formulas include the extensively hydrolyzed formula with the use of probiotics such as lactobacillus. Therefore, the right formula with your pediatrician's support and your right information, apparent understanding of the disease